everyone, I'm Kim HOCK. In this video, I together with my team members are going to tell you about fertilizers. So basically, the functions of fertilizers are to replenish or increase the nutrient levels in the soils so that the soils can continuously provide nutrients to the plants, as well as ensure a sustainable production of crops. Besides that, it also helps to extend the lifespan of plants. However, do you know that fertilizers can be designed or improvised in terms of its components and nutrients for different users? For example, in this video, we are going to come up with our own DIY fertilizer, which is tailor-made for urban trees, especially to maintain or maximize the aesthetic or ornamental values of urban trees. Are you ready to find out? Let's go!
I'm AKMA IZZATI. As you guys heard from Kim HOCK about fertilizer, so here I would like to suggest the ingredients that we can use to make our own DIY fertilizer. So my secret ingredients that I would like to suggest are eggshells and coffee. The reason why I choose eggshells is because eggshells contain a bunch of nutrients which is high in calcium. Besides, the reason why I choose coffee is because coffee contains several minerals for plant growth such as calcium, nitrogen, phosphorus, iron, magnesium, chromium, and many more. Coffee also can attract worms, which is great for our plants. Both of the ingredients that I suggest is easy to get. It's just from our kitchen. So now let me hear opinion from HAMIMAH. Is she have the best secret ingredients just like me? So let's check it out.
Hello, my name is HAMIMAH binti HASSAN. For me, the best organic fertilizer that suit with urban trees are fish bones and banana peels. First, fish bone contain higher percentage of phosphorus that speeds up flowering of ornamental trees and increase aesthetic value by adding the beauty of flowers color. Second, banana peels contain higher percentage of potassium that strengthens stems and protect tree from disease. So if the tree is healthier, it helps to flower more. That's all from me. Thank you.
Alright, so after listening to my members' opinion, we decided to use banana skins, fish bones, coffee grounds, and also eggshells to make our own DIY fertilizer. And hopefully it will be a phosphorus booster for our urban trees. And now I will let my member to show you the process of making our own DIY fertilizer.
Hi, I'm AMERA. I want to show the ingredients and the process in the making of our own group DIY fertilizer. The first ingredients is eggshell, second banana skin, coffee powder and fish bone. We need some water, blender and container to fill our fertilizer. The first step is we crunch the eggshell and put into the blender. Then we put banana skin, some coffee powder, and the last is fish bone. Before start, we put some water and then blend it. Okay, after finish, we put the fertilizer into the bottle. Okay, we use 1.5 liter of bottle. Then we fill some water, plain water into the bottle until full. Already finished and it is ready to use to our tree. Alright, this is our group fertilizer. The color like a coffee. The smell is very nice. And now it is ready to use and I will pass it to AKMA.
Hi, so this is our DIY fertilizer that I got from AMERA. So thank you AMERA. So I want to show you to apply to your plant. You guys just need half cup of it and pour it to the ground of your plant. Then you guys need to do it once a week.